Hey guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to bake your own Christmas fruitcake. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my videos. All that I'll be using to prepare this Christmas fruitcake, the ingredients will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Java Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'll be using to prepare my Christmas fruitcake. You're gonna need 1 nutmeg, you're gonna need 7 eggs, you're gonna need a lemon, you're gonna need some unsalted butter. I'll be using some cinnamon, also some browning, some mixed essence. You're gonna need some all-purpose white flour. You're gonna need your vanilla. You're gonna need your almond essence, also some rose water. You're gonna need your brown sugar. And here I have my mixed fruits that I've been soaking for 2 weeks now. And also you're gonna need some baking powder. Now I'm just gonna start by blending up all my mixed fruits that I have been soaking for about 2 weeks now. Guys, you can go ahead and check out my previous video on how to prepare your mixed fruits and soak them. Yes, guys. Guys, that you put in there. Smells so nice. I'm just going to blend this up now before I start to cream my butter and my brown sugar together. Back to you guys and I'm finished blending this. Yes guys, that's it. After that 2 to 3 minutes of blending. Look at that, guys. That's how you want to mix out your fruits. All of that mixed fruits that you have been soaking. I'm just gonna get a basin now and just pour this out in it and then mix the rest of my fruits that I have in my jar. Of my fruits now. Let's give that a next blend for the next 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Sprite from on this red label, so strong. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna blend this again, and I'll get right back to you guys. I'm finished blending. Yes, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. Finish blending that out now. I'm gonna add this to the basin. Yes, guys, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll get right back to you when I'm start to cream my sugar and butter together. Now when you finish blending up all of that mixed fruits that you had been soaking, now you're just going to put that to the side. Look at that, guys. It's looking so beautiful, I'm telling you. It's smelling so nice. You're just going to go ahead and get a separate basin where you're going to start to put your butter in. You're going to start to cream this now, guys. I'm using about 450 grams of unsalted butter. Sorry, I've been using. Guys, also want to make sure your butter is at room temperature. Sugar now. I'll be using about 3.5 cups of brown sugar. the half. That's it, guys. Now I'm just gonna get my mixer. I'm just gonna cream this together now, guys, and I'll get right back to you guys. There you have it, guys. So you want to cream your butter and sugar together. Now I'm just going in with my eggs. Just going with 2 eggs at a time, and then I start to give that a next mix again with my mixer. Just going to pull more of my eggs again. I'm just going to cream these now, guys. Going next 2 eggs. I'm just going with the 3 of them because I have 3 more of these. 7 eggs in all, guys. Using. Get right back to you guys when I'm finished mixing, finish creaming up all my eggs into my butter and sugar. Let's go. Now there you have it, guys. I'm finished creaming all my eggs and that sugar and those butter that I put in there, guys. I'm telling you. Now it's time to add my lemon zest to it. Yes, guys, but before I do that, let me get my spatula. Just clean down the side. Guys, clean and get down all the butter and sugar that you was creaming. This guys, just now I'm just gonna grate this now to get my lemon zest. Guys, when you finish grating your lemon, you're also gonna use the lemon juice from it. Just gonna juice that lemon, this lemon here. Make sure you get off all of that zest off of your lemon. You cake to have that lovely taste, guys. I'm telling you, the lemon zest and the lemon juice also give it a lovely taste, guys. Slice this lemon. I'm just gonna juice it up, guys. Just like that. You want to get that lemon juice, guys, and take the chew inside of that mixture. Just like that, guys. Juice it properly. Now you're just gonna throw that juice inside of your mixture now. Just like that. Now you're just gonna cream that now together. Mix all of that lemon zest and that lemon juice into your butter and your egg and sugar that you just cream up. Yes, guys. have it, guys. This is finished mixing up now. I'll put my wet ingredients to the side because I'm finished with that now, guys. I'm going to start off with my dry ingredients. I want to get a separate basin. I'll be using 3.5 cups of flour. This, guys, that's about 450 grams. Now, just like that, guys. Now I'll be going in with 3 teaspoons of baking powder, just like that, guys. Also I'll be using 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, now I'm just going to grate my nutmeg. You want to grate 1 nutmeg into this now, guys. When you grate any nutmeg, guys, you just want to use this side of your grater to grate that nutmeg. Wow, nutmeg smells so lovely, guys. I like the smell of nutmeg. It smells so nice. You want to be careful when you're grating a nutmeg. You don't want to rub off your finger on the grater. So you just want to be careful. Finish with that. And you just want to get your whisk now, guys. Just whisk that mixed up around now. Guys, that's finished now. Now you want to get back your wet ingredients. So guys, you just want to add 1/3 of that flour inside of it. Just like that, guys. And you're going to start to mix that in now until it's mixed up. There you have it, guys, as you can see. Now you're going to get your mixed fruits now, guys. Start to add some of that into it now. Just like that, guys. I'm just going to mix that in again. Let's do it the old traditional way, guys. I won't be using my cake mixer. I'm just using my wooden spoon now. I'll start to fold that in now, guys. The old traditional way. And that, guys, I'm telling you, it smells so nice, guys, when I just put in that mixed fruit into that. Into it, guys. Add it to it. It smells so nice. Going in some more 1/3 of my flour again. Just want to add your flour gradually as you go along, guys. And just fold it and mix it in. Like that, guys. This is even better than the mixer. Using the wooden spoon, guys, I'm telling you. Spatula. Just clean on the side here. some more of my mixed fruits to that now. Guys, just gonna mix it in now. Just fold that in good, guys. Mix properly. Guys, I'm going in with my browning. I'm just adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of this browning. So just about. Just adding 3 for now. Just mixing now, guys. By making a Jamaican Christmas cake, guys, and make sure the browning is in it to it. So guys, you gotta put in that browning, mix it in properly, guys. Guys, the batter that I'm mixing, guys, is gonna make 2 10-inch cake, guys. Of my flour. Just mix that in now, guys. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished mixing all of this flour in. Make sure you're mixing that flour, you're splitting your properly, guys. Just clean down the side. Guys. That 3 tablespoons of browning that I use, guys, it is enough. Come on, guys, you don't want more than that 3 tablespoons. You don't want to have a black cake, you understand? I'm just going to add the rest of my mixed fruits in. Guys, overall I've used about 7 cups of this mixed fruits into my cake. So guys, just mix it in now. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished mixing up all of this mixture, this batter. Yes guys, I'll get back to you when I'm putting in my rest of my spices into it. Now here you have it, guys. Got my butter. This, guys, I'm telling you, it's smelling so amazing. I'm telling you, guys, perfect. Tastes so nice, guys. Now I'm just going in with my vanilla. I'm going in about 4 tablespoons vanilla. So, guys. Also, I'll be going in with 2 tablespoons of mixed essence. Also, I'll be using some rose water now. Same thing, 2 tablespoons of rose water. And also, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of my almond essence too. So, guys, my cake off it full of flavor. Understand. I'm just gonna fold that in now, guys, into my mixture. Those essence that I just put in there. So make sure you mix them in properly, guys. So that, guys. So I'll be putting some white rum into it, guys. I'm just adding some white rum. Just to give it some more flavor, guys. I'm just adding about 3 tablespoons of my marinated white rum to it. Just like that, guys. Don't worry. By the time this goes into the oven, guys, this white rum evaporate out of it because the heat and alcohol don't go together, guys. So this is just to get a little flavor. Let's add that white rum into it. Open that and mix that thing good, guys. Wow, the white rum smells so lovely too. Get back to you guys when I'm finished mixing up all of this essence that I just put in here with that white rum. Yes, guys, and that rose water too. Now here you have it. I've finished mixing around all of those lovely essence and that white rum that I put in there, guys. Telling you guys, it's looking so beautiful, smelling so nice, and tasting so delicious. Now, guys, I'm just gonna put this to the side and start with to grease my baking things. So guys, I'm going in with some light sunflower oil, spray oil, just to grease my tin, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and get your brush and do it just like this, guys. Spread it around. You want to make sure you grease your tins so when your cake is finished baking, it's easily to come out your tin, guys. It's not stuck in there. Guys, also you're going to put some flour into it. Add a little flour to it, guys. Like that. You're just going to shake it around. Spread it around, guys. You want to spread it on the side also. Remember, you don't want that cake to stick. Just, guys, just like that. Make sure you spread it around, and the excess flour that leave back, guys, you can just shake that out into your sink. Just like that. This is how you want your tin to look, guys. I'll get right back to you. I'll be doing my next 10-inch baking tin. Yes, guys, I'll get right back to you when I'm finished. Now here you have it, guys. I've finished putting my oil, my spray oil, and I finished greasing my tins. Yes, guys, that's how you want to do it. Guys, if you want to bake one 10-inch Christmas cake, all you have to do is just cut these ingredients that I give you into half. Like, for instance, I use 3 cups of flour. All you have to do is just use 1.5 cup of flour. Yes, guys. So you want to just cut that ingredients into 2. You can get one 10-inch cake, or if you want to go ahead and make 2 10-inch cake, it's up to you, guys. But you know you got family and friends coming around, so you know you have to have at least 2 cakes. I'm just going to pour in my butter into my just like that. Just want to give this a shake now. Just like that, guys. Meanwhile you're doing this, guys, you just want to go ahead and preheat your oven for about 5 minutes and gas mark 350 degrees. Yeah. Let's put this one side. Now I'm just going to add the rest of my spatula. Telling you guys, this mixture is smelling so lovely. I love the smell of it. Can't wait to clean out the bowl with my finger. Give that a shake again. Christmas cake. I'll get right back to you guys when my oven is finished preheated. Now my oven is preheated and ready for my cakes now, guys. I'm just gonna chop them inside of there now. You just want to place one on the top there, guys, and one right into the middle, just like that. Guys, you want to make sure you go ahead and also have some water inside there. You could keep your cake moist. You don't want no dry cake and you don't want it to burn, guys. Just put a tin in there with some water. Yes, guys, under the bottom of it, just like how you see I do it there. And you're just gonna leave that now to bake, and I'll get right back to you guys when it's finished. Now is about that time for my cake to remove from my oven now, guys, after that hour and 35 minutes. Yes, guys, look at that beauty, guys. I'm telling you, it's smelling so lovely. I can't wait to have a slice of this when it's cool. Yes, guys, after that hour and 35 minutes in the oven, I'm telling you. Now here you have it, guys. My cakes are all finished baking. As what I said before, after that hour and 35 minutes of baking, guys. Yes, that's how you want to do your Christmas fruit cakes. Now I'm just gonna take my knife to push in the middle of it to see if it's properly baked. Yes, guys, just wanna test it. Look at that, guys. It's not wet. I'm just gonna do the same for this one. Look at that, guys. It's properly baked, guys. If you push your knife in it and you draw it up back and you see it wet, that means your cake is not finished baked. You're just gonna have to put it back in the oven for about the next 10 or 20 minutes. Yes, guys. Now I'm just gonna leave these here to cool for about half an hour before I get back to you guys. Now here you have it. My cakes are all cool after that 30 minutes. Now it's time to wet my cake with my Rainier white rum and also my red label. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna pour it into this small container. I'm using about 4 tablespoons of white rum and also 4 tablespoons of my red label. So guys, just want to go ahead and just stir it around. Just like that, guys. Just want to go ahead and just pour it on top of it like this. Make it absorb all of that rum and red label. That rum and red label, sorry. Yes, guys. Guys, I'm just gonna mix up some more for that one. That's what you want to do. Give your Christmas fruit cake that lovely brown taste. I'm just gonna pour this over now. I'm just going to leave the cake to absorb all of that alcohol, guys, and I'll get right back to you when it's all soaking. Now there you have it. My cake, I've soaked up all of that red label and white rum that I pour on top of it. Yes, guys, that's how you want to do it. Now I'm just going to remove them from my tin into my plate, and I'll get back to you when I do that. Now here you have it. I've removed my cakes from that tin, from the baking tin. Yes, guys, they're looking all nice and smelling so delicious. Now I'm just gonna cut a slice to let you see the texture of it. Yes, guys. Just like that. Look, guys. It's all moist. Telling you guys. You can smell the rum into it. Wow. Here you have it, guys, once more. Look at that, guys. Wow. It's not dry. It's perfect. Yes, guys. All moist. Yes, guys. It's perfect. Just the way I like it. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about these Christmas fruitcake. To give it a try, hit me up in the comment section, guys, and let me know what you think about it. Until next time, thanks for watching.